Hi, my name's Paula and welcome to my vlog. I have completely lost everybody. I did hear someone say that we're heading towards the zip line. I hope I heard right because that's where I'm heading and there's no one in front of me and there's no one behind me. Okay, so we're walking from the Harbour MRT to Sentosa. We're going to do a bit of a walk. I'm excited. I haven't been to Sentosa for a long time, so it'll be quite exciting to see how much has changed. Although I won't be able to see much, so I'm walking so fast. So we have reached Sentosa and now we have reached the Jungle Walk. Just following them, to be honest. No idea where I'm going. I haven't been to Sentosa for so long and I wouldn't remember anyway. So it's very hot, very humid. But if you do get a chance to come to Sentosa, this jungle walk's cute. See? It's pretty hot, actually. Getting prettier and cooler and I've lost everyone. They're either forward or back and I'm on my own. But now I can hear like a waterfall. Maybe. Yeah. Kinda. Otherwise, I'm going on my own jungle walk. I can hear lots of birds. There's some water down there. But I don't hear any civilization. Anyway, let's go and explore. I'd like to let you know that I found them. I wasn't lost after all.
That's it, I know where the we're down the road and across the bridge and then home.
Maybe we'll do that. That's the bridge. Yeah, let's go.
Maybe we'll go down the road and across the bridge, and then we'll
cool.
head back after.
So this is the Adventureland where you can do zip lining, and that's it. But there's all different levels of it, which is pretty cool. And that's what they were having a look at, the view. It takes you all the way down to the beach and zip line. It's really cool, actually. I think I might come here, take the kids here on the weekend. Anyway, continue on our walk. And we have hit Butterfly Park. I don't even know where we are.
Top of the luge now, look.
Oh, okay. So we're back at the top of the luge.
Imbala station.
In what station is it?
Imbala. In Imbala.
Imbala station. Oh, here we go. There. Anyway, if you liked what you saw today, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow.